morning, everybody. Okay, today is for day of thankful and gratitude day giveaway. So this will be 4 day. First, I want to announce the winner on the thankful gratitude giveaway day 3 first. So my winner is Vintage Paper Girl. Yay! Congratulations, girl. So please contact me. Price me your name and shipping address so I can get your winning prize on your way. So yes, yay! Now today are fourth day, right? So yeah, you still have 14 includes with this one, so gonna be 15 chance to win. Okay, so just keep, thankful what you already have in your life, so good thing will come to you. So never lose faith in yourself. So yep, good thing will always happen to you if you always be happy and think positive. You know what, no one can do anything to you but except yourself. If you not be happy and you complain and whining, I don't think good thing never gonna happen to you if you continue to doing that. So that's why I'm doing the thankful gratitude giveaway to you guys, so that you guys can get a little bit inspired, do it daily, even though if my giveaway is over. Just want you guys to get started and you do it. What you should be thankful for everything every day of surrounding you people, even though they don't like you, even though they mad at you for some reason, you still should be thankful to them, that because of them that you can be you. You don't want anybody to be just like you. So anybody be different. So anyway, so yeah, so I'm still thankful for I still wake up, see my husband, my baby, my business thing going on great. So the world that we're living in is like amazing. So yeah, just think positive and be grateful. That's it, what I can say. So alright, so just leave your comment what you should be thankful for, okay, for today, and you have a chance to win. And each morning until 24, so I will announce the winner. Yeah, and don't forget to enter my layout channel on my blogs, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye guys, have a good day.